O-ring seals in diesel engines? Small but tech-packed. Achieve static or dynamic sealing via compression rebound. Roll, seal fuel, oil, coolant, etc. Oil leakage unbalances lubrication pressure. Material matters. Diesel engines need oil-resistant NBR for general cases. Fluororubber FEChem for high-end, harsh temps. Better chemical or heat resistance with FEChem. Judge quality, check appearance first. No pores, burrs on the surface. Regular O-ring cross-section required. Test elasticity, press and watch rebound. Over 10% residual deformation. Bad
Sure
sign.
hardness,
70-90 industry standard.
Deviation leads to easy leakage.
Procurement tip: choose certified suppliers. ISO 9001, IAT 16949,
Stable processes,
for example, 005 mm mold
ensures
accuracy.
good
Sealing surface fit. Avoid only chasing low prices. Inferior seals use recycled rubber. Impurities, easy to age. May fail in 3-6 months post-installation. Quality ones last 2 to 3 years at least. Ask for material reports before buying. And third-party inspection certificates. Focus on compression set rate. For NBR, 20 at room temp is. This ensures sealing reliability. Right O-rings protect engine sealing. Stable and efficient engine operation. Crucial for equipment reliability. Tech in details decides engine health.